Yeah, it's recording. It's crazy. That actually had a bit of wheel spin off the line then.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I gave it a fair bit. Oh, sorry.
They'll look better once we put some brake lights on.
Yeah. So we're testing out Steve's chip here that he's developed for Carrera Digital132, 132 I should say. Very smooth, progressive chip, really nice and small, with a LED sensor that is on wire, is wired, so you can just mount the chip anywhere you like, basically. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a nice blue LED to indicate that you're powered on in the chip, and you may be able to see it in the interior of the cars. We're just running non-magnet at 20% power and 27% brakes on these Policar Slot.it cars. It's so smooth, huh? Yeah.
They are very smooth.
Yeah. I think Steve's blue Matra has done many laps, but the little white Ferraris are just brand new out of the box. So it's equally as smooth. Whoop.
This Matra is about the smoothest car I've driven out of the box.
Yeah. I've just seen that we've got our power settings. That I'll just reset so we can get a true indication of our lap times and stuff. Right, there you go. Ah, sorry.
Personal best lap time by road. Road did a new fastest lap.
Driver.
Okay, yeah, it's under your name.
Road did a personal best lap time. Road did a new fastest lap.
Not this time.
Road did a personal best lap time. Road did a new fastest lap. Steve did a personal best lap time. Steve did a personal best lap time. Steve did a personal best lap time.